Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English together. I will give you 3 vocabulary words to practice. Number 1. Nitty-gritty. It means the basic facts of a situation. Examples. Can we focus on the nitty-gritty aspects of the problem to find a solution? Before we make a decision, we need to discuss the nitty-gritty details. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of our project timeline. Number 2. Apparel has the same meaning as clothes. Examples. I need to buy some new apparel for the upcoming event. Her wardrobe is filled with stylish and colorful apparel. The online store allows you to browse and purchase apparel easily. Number 3. Sugar and spice. It means behaving in a kind and friendly way. Examples. Her comments were always filled with sugar and spice. Even under pressure, he acted with sugar and spice. He greeted everyone with sugar and spice. Thank you for watching this video. If it is useful, please subscribe. See you soon.